Today I want to create a quick iron-rich meal that you can create any day of the week at any time of the day. And this is a dish that you can put in the refrigerator and you can take with you on the go, and let's get into it. If you're new to this channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button so you could be notified of more videos, and please consider like and sharing the video. And so in this dish, I have several different ingredients. So let's go over the different ingredients. And so the first ingredient that I have would be chickpeas. And chickpeas definitely has a lot of iron. And when it comes to the chickpeas and you're making a Buddha bowl concept or just a nutrient dense meal, you can decide whether you want to have them in this dish cooked, or if you would like to have it like me, and I am not going to have it cooked. And for the chickpeas, I decided to put some turmeric and paprika and some sea salt and some Bragg's amino seasoning. I am also using some kale, and I'm also using some lentil sprouts as well. And I'm also using some beets. And when it comes to the beets, if you want to steam your beets, or if you want to saute your beets, or you want to broil your beets, that is entirely up to you. Today I am eating them raw. And I mean, I love to have beet juice. If you would like to see some of my juicing videos, you are welcome to check those videos out. They are definitely very informative and beneficial on your wellness journey. And I am using quinoa, and I cooked the quinoa beforehand, and I will leave the recipe on how to make quinoa in the description. I am using some pomegranate, and this is definitely one of my favorite things to eat. I love pomegranate, and I definitely recommend to eat a lot of pomegranate. It is so nutritious. I am also using some oranges, and I am using some pine nuts. You could also use other ingredients such as walnuts. Walnuts are definitely very nutritious and it has iron in it. But today I wanted to use pine nuts. And I am also using some avocado. And I am using some lemon tahini dressing. And this is simply some sesame tahini, some lemon, and some water, and some garlic and seasoning. And you can decide how you want to make your lemon tahini dressing. I always recommend you make your own dressing, but you could definitely find lovely dressings at stores such as Whole Foods and Trader Joe's and other stores, most definitely. However, I will always recommend that you make your own dressing as much as you can. And here is the final result after you've created your beautiful big Buddha bowl, iron-rich Buddha bowl. And as always, continue to be blessed, divines. Be true to yourself. Be well. Peace, divines.